I am Alan Gates. I work here at Hortonworks. I'm one of the co-founders. I am also an architect in the data team, and the data team is responsible for Pig, for Hive, for HCatalog, and for ETL. I'm also a member of the incubator PMC, and as part of that I help mentor new projects as they come into the Apache Software Foundation. One of those projects I mentor, for example, is HCatalog. HCatalog is a metadata and table management system for Hadoop. So it takes Hive, which is a SQL engine, it takes its metastore and opens it up to other tools such as Pig and MapReduce, so that users of those tools also can share data across their tools. HCatalog solves two primary problems. The first is that on any active Hadoop cluster, there are people using all kinds of different tools. Those tools don't tend to agree on what a schema is, what data types are, how data is stored, where it's stored. HCatalog provides one consistent data model for all of these, and it provides a shared schema for all of these. It also allows users of those tools to see when each other's data is available. The other big problem that HCatalog solves right now is if you're using tools such as Pig and MapReduce, you have to know a lot about where your data is stored and how it's stored. You have to know where in the file system it lives. You have to know what format it's in so that you can pick the right tool to read it. You have to know what the schema is. Those aren't provided for you. HCatalog solves all these problems by presenting a table abstraction. HCatalog is off to a very nice start, but I feel like there are several areas where it needs to branch out and really start to grow. And one of those is better integration with HBase. People can take HBase tables and connect them to HCatalog and then use all the same tools we've talked about, Hive and Pig and MapReduce, to query those. That's very nice. And it's very nice if users don't even necessarily have to know whether the data is in HBase or HDFS. Another area that it needs to grow in is information lifecycle management, which is managing data throughout its lifetime. The final area where I feel like HCatalog really needs to grow in the short term is expanding its data model. Right now, because it's based on Hive's metastore, it does a wonderful job storing relational data. But a lot of the promise of Hadoop is the ability to store unstructured and semi-structured data. And so we need a metadata system that helps realize that promise.